Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to Little Robin. Hope all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to see about how to replace gear knob in Swift car. Gear knob is broken in my car. See here. So I want to replace this one. I just placed the order in Amazon and I got a new item. See here, this is a new gear knob. So this one is going to replace now. Let's see how to do that one. So first we have to remove this old one. We'll remove this old one. Then we need to remove this pouch. Hold it both sides. See this one, how it came. Just to take this one and keep it somewhere. First we have to remove this pouch. Yeah, you have to remove this one. See here, you have to pull both the side, this side and this side, then it will come out. Once you remove, you have to remove this black color part. Once you remove, you can see this white color knob. Then now what you have to do is, you have to keep this one above this white color knob. So this cover is supposed to come above this white color knob. So this is done. So I will take the new one. This is a new one, new knob. You have to keep it here. This is done now. Again you have to put this pouch in the same place. So now this one I will replace now. Keep inside this one here. That's it. If the video was useful, please like it, share it and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. See you next video. Bye bye.